From now on, when you have a good question, a question that I think many people will ask, I will save it and answer you with a video, so that it is easier for you to understand. Where I buy anvil and hammer. I bought some materials and tools at the website in the description. This is not promotional video, I don't get any benefit from this store. Replacement tools. Hammer, you can use any hammer you can find at your local store. Requires a metal hammer and has a flat and glossy hammer face. Anvil, medium-sized anvils you can only find in jewelers' tools stores or handmade tools. A few years ago, when I couldn't find a suitable anvil, I used a flat, glossy ceramic tile instead. Plus advantages, easy to find. Plus disadvantages, the hardness is not high, so the brick will be easily scratched and cracked. You can replace it with any tool you can find, e.g. marble slabs used in construction. Requires higher hardness than copper, has a flat, glossy surface.